Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron. I'm going to show you today how to take scratches out of the windshield of a car when people do stupid shit like, oh, I don't know, remove the frost from the windshield with an antique license plate. So I'll take you off of here and I'll show you what's going on. I'll show you how we're going to fix it. Look at this crap. Look at this. All the way across the windshield. So what we're going to do, car's getting painted in spring, okay? Hopefully. We've got some cutting compound. We got a little buffer wheel on a drill. We got some Windex, terry cloth towel, and some blue shop rags. I'll set you up on the tripod and show you exactly how to do this. Now, in all fairness, she feels bad, but I'm still pissed off, man. Still majorly pissed off. So she's tried to do everything to make it up to me, except bring the Sports Illustrated swimsuit team over here for a fun weekend. But she could do that. I'd be okay with it. But take your cutting compound, because it's so cheap and I have nothing better to do with it. Kind of do it a section at a time. Get the funk off your fingers and just go at it. Just be careful. Now you can do this with a buffer polisher, and you can actually do it with steel wool too. But steel wool, a lot of times you got to step down and do processes. This seems to be taking care of this situation, this specific situation. It seems to be taking care of it okay. So just keep your fingers crossed and just keep doing it. I already did this section here. This was scratched up pretty bad, and took everything out of it. I still got to clean it, so we'll just work across the windshield to get it done. But I really love doing stupid shit that I didn't need to do in the first place. But I'm not going to do this video to bitch, even though I've been bitching the whole time. Gotta get some more blue towels out here. Let that dry. There's still a couple sections that we got to go over again. Just right there, right there. I know you can't pick this up on camera. Here, I'll take you out the tripod real quick. Got a major majority of it out. There's, see right there, little one there. There's one here, a little bit right here. So we'll get that out, and then we'll move to the other side. And there's one up here. As it dries, you'll see them. But it might not be perfect, but it'll be a hell of a lot better than how she pulled in the driveway, you know? Now to show you guys that this ain't rigged or anything, and they're actual scratches everywhere. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So once again, let's take it, rub it around. Now you got to do it a couple times, especially probably on this side with it being so damn. Now, this won't necessarily get 100% of scratches out. But at least get it good enough to where it don't look like it was sitting on the bottom stack of a stack of cars at a freaking scrapyard. Yep. All right. It would have been a hell of a lot quicker and easier if I would have got the small buffer polisher out. But I wanted to show you guys how you could do it just with a regular drill. You know, you can go to Harbor Freight, get one of those little buffing wheels for a couple of bucks, get some rubbing compound or some cutting or polishing compound, and basically knock it out. Yeah, we're gonna have to go over this again. Got a lot of it out, but there's still a lot that's not out, you know what I mean? Trying to do this video as uncut as possible so you guys can see that this actually works. We'll let that dry for a minute. I am going to pause you guys. Alright, I wiped it down, let it dry, and I put some more cutting compound where there's still scratches. And all you do is go back over it again and again and again until you get them out. Now, let me take you out here and show you how it looks, man. A whole lot better than what I thought, honestly. But that's a streak. I still got to wash the windows. Oh no, that's not a streak. That's actually the steering wheel. I like that one. But it takes them out, man. This was at least a bit helpful. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button. We will see you soon. Appreciate every last one of you guys.